It's time once again for The Law and You. As always, we're coming to you from the Virtual Law Center, and the guys that know pretty much everything in the legal world. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli are here.
Yeah.
Nice to be here. Thanks for having us.
Pretty much everything. I like that.
Well, pretty big story as of late coming out of Berwick, and we're going to address that one tonight. George says, I saw your firm is involved with the building collapse in Berwick. How did you stop the owner from tearing the building down? What's the latest on this one?
Well, let me just update you. I mean, we got a call early Wednesday, I believe it was, and Ed went right out to the scene, and he's been handling this from day one, so I'll let him do most of the talking, but it's an interesting development, what he did.
Yeah, so, you know, I got a call from the family on Wednesday night, went right out to, went down to Berwick, met with, the PP&L and some other individuals down there, and they had indicated that the building was going to be torn down first thing in the morning. So it's something that is not used a lot, but in civil cases you can file essentially a temporary injunction to prevent people from destroying evidence in a case. Because in any civil case we have the burden of proof, to show what happened. And if that building had been destroyed, all that evidence would have been lost. So we were in court at 8:30 in the morning. Judge James in Columbia County signed the order, first order, allowing us to do the inspection. We got there about 2 hours later after we had begun the inspection. The owner of the building did not think that the order, thought that the order was vague. I went back to Judge James in Columbia County, and ultimately he signed a really specific order allowing us to photograph, to video, to do an inspection of the building, to do a drone flyover, and we were able to do that last week and got unbelievably valuable information in order to preserve that information moving forward. And what we're really trying to determine is the structural integrity of the building, and then obviously whether this building was in such a state of disrepair that the owner should have repaired it and prevented this from happening. And so far it looks like that's the direction that we're headed in. And
if you're injured in an accident and need the help of our attorneys, you could reach out to them. Don't forget, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks.
Don't forget PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is there for you.